Hello there everyone, my name is Alpha and welcome back to another episode of Alpha Review. Today we are unboxing Lord X plush. Yeah, I got this off of Amazon. I was interested. Okay, so here's the packaging himself, and here's the back, and here's Lord X, and so yeah, I don't have big much to say, but yeah, let's get this thing open. Alright, and here is Lord X plush. So yeah, here he is. Here's his eyes, his nose, his ears, the needle behind his back. Here's his arm, here's his other arm. Here's the needle behind the back. Here's the blood. And here's his ear, the X on his stomach, his shoes, and yeah, that's basically it. And not to lie, that is a pretty interesting plush. Like, yeah, I know it's a knockoff, but not gonna lie, this one looks pretty cool. They actually did some pretty good effort on this. So even though it's okay. So yeah, this is gonna be we're going to review Lord X. So have a great day, and make sure to like and subscribe.